Hello and welcome. I'm Charity. I'm going to talk about swaddling. What is swaddling? Swaddling is a gentle practice of snugly wrapping a newborn in a thick blanket or cloth. It helps mimic secure and confined environment of the womb. Also, it provides comfort, security, and promotes better sleep. How is it done? Number 1, lay the blanket in a diamond shape. Fold the top corner down slightly. Number 2, place the baby face up on the blanket with their shoulders just below the fold. Number 3, bring one corner across the baby's body, tucking it snugly under the opposite arm and side. Number 4, fold the bottom corner up and over the baby's feet, tucking it into the fold at the chest. Ensure hips and knees can flex freely. Number 5, bring the remaining corner across the baby's body, tucking it snugly under their back on the opposite side. Number 5, ensure the snuggle is snug but allows for comfortable breathing and movement of the baby's hips and legs. Benefits of swaddling. Number 1, to provide newborns with a sense of security and comfort, similar to being held or in the womb. Number 2, to help babies adjust to their new environment by reducing sensory overload. Number 3, to promote better sleep patterns, which are essential for health, growth, and development. Number 4, to potentially reduce crying and fastness, leading to a more content baby and less stressed parent. A happy mother, a happy baby, a happy baby, a happy mother. Number 5, it is a non-pharmacological way to soothe and calm infants. Do's and don'ts of swaddling. Number 1, use thin, breathable fabrics. Cotton or muslin are ideal to prevent overheating, especially in warmer climates. Number 2, ensure the swaddle is snug but not too tight. You should be able to fit 2 to 3 fingers between the swaddle and the baby's chest. Number 3, allow for free movement of hips and knees. The legs should be able to bend up and out. Avoid swaddling legs straight and tightly. Number 4, always place swaddled babies on their back to sleep. This is crucial for safe sleep practice and reducing the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Number 5, monitor your baby for signs of overheating. Check their neck and the chest for warmth. Number 6, stop swaddling when your baby shows signs of trying to roll over. Normally, this is between 2 to 4 months. Don'ts of swaddling. Don't swaddle too tightly around the chest or hips. This can restrict breathing or hinder healthy hip development. Number 2, don't overheat your baby. Avoid thick blankets or overdressing under the swaddle. Number 3, don't swaddle the baby's arms down straight and tightly. This can also affect hip development. Number 4, don't place a swaddled baby on their stomach or side to sleep. Number 5, don't continue swaddling once the baby is rolling or is actively trying to roll. Thank you very much for watching. Shalom.